In this video, you'll learn how to create a folder on ClickUp so you can keep your work organized and easy to manage. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly, and I'll explain what you're seeing and why it matters so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, go ahead and open ClickUp and make sure you're on the main workspace view. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the global navigation bar. This is the vertical menu that usually shows things like home, notifications, and most importantly for this tutorial, spaces. Spaces are the highest level areas where you group related projects, teams, or departments. To get started, look for the option labeled Spaces in that left-hand global navigation bar and click on it. This will open a list of all the spaces you have access to in your workspace. Take a moment to find the space where you want your new folder to live. For example, you might have spaces like marketing, product, operations, or anything your team uses. Once you've found the right space, move your mouse over its name. You don't need to click yet, just hover your cursor over that space. When you hover over it, you should see a few extra icons appear, and one of them will be a plus sign or plus icon. This plus icon is how you add new items inside that space, such as folders or lists. Now, click the plus icon. A small menu will appear, giving you a few options for what you can create. From this menu, select the option labeled Folder. This tells ClickUp that you want to create a new folder within that specific space. As soon as you select Folder, a window or panel will open where you can set up your new folder. Here you'll be asked to add a name and a description. The name is what you and your teammates will see in the sidebar, so make it clear and specific. For example, instead of just tasks, you might name it Q3 marketing campaigns or client onboarding projects, depending on how you plan to use it. Below the name field, you'll see a place to add a description. This step is optional, but it's a good habit to include it. Use the description to explain what belongs in this folder, who it's for, or how it should be used. This is especially helpful if you're working with a team because it reduces confusion and keeps everyone on the same page. For example, you could write something like, this folder contains all project lists for upcoming quarterly campaigns, or use this folder for all onboarding tasks related to new clients. Take a moment to double check the spelling of the folder name and make sure the description clearly explains its purpose. When everything looks good, confirm or save your changes. Depending on your ClickUp layout, this might be a Create or Save button. Once you've created the folder, you'll see it appear under the space you chose. From here, you can start adding lists and tasks inside that folder, keeping all related work neatly grouped together. And that's it. You've created a folder in ClickUp by going to Spaces in the global navigation bar, hovering over the right space, clicking the plus icon, choosing folder, and then adding a name and description.